Hi, this is Mohammed here. I'm going to demo BMI calculation part 2. For this one, I actually gonna connect it in local server. So just ensure that local server is running and running it here as well. Now let's just extract it for part 2. Extract. And you can also find part 1 source code in here as well. And also I'll show what need to be changed in case if we wanted to change in different URLs. So this is BMI part 2 condition. We just open it into Visual Studio and Android Studio. So let's just open. We're opening from the same directories. Syncing the project. Now it's synced, but it started to build since I cleaned it up and it's, it's rebuilding. Once building is done, then we'll again rebuild it. It's building, so we don't need to rebuild since it's actually building from the scratch. Just once building is done, project will load, then we'll start to load in our emulator. So building is done, build successfully. Hopefully this is gonna load. Now it says scanning to the folder. Now scan is done. Now let's just run the application. Begin building from the scratch for the configurations. Once configuration is done, then it will start the emulator. You can see the location of the project where I just unchecked it. So it will wait for some time to bring the device. So it looks like for some reason building is rebuilding the whole project. When I click on run, Still, yeah, it look like it is now done. It will try to bring a virtual device. It look like virtual device is running. So trying to bring my virtual device. This is probably like from the previous sound run cache. Need to reboot. Yep. So this was actually from the like older run, older app. So let's see new app how it behave. So I'm a little taking it longer to bring the app. So now let's start it. 100 and then click on calculation. So it looks like it haven't been talked to locally yet. It's talking now. Getting the result showed up here. So now let's just change this number to 300. Change this number to 300. Then recalculate it. It will change once call is done. Yep. Now check the functionality of execute me. It will open the browser here. This app is like it wasn't crashing when I tried to do without the video. Most probably like, there is a lot of processes running which is taking all the bandwidth of the computer. So now you can see it actually try to get into this website. So I'm not sure like why emulator taking super long. It should be like fast when I'm running without the video. Now this is like the website. Yeah. So let me go to the app. 400, 100. Just send the call, waiting for the response. Got the response. Now, if I click Educate Me again, it may or may not open that same URL since I have a logic to randomly select uh, one of the website. So let me show you the logic to where is living. Mainframe. So here is randomly select one of the website. Then controller where I'm making the calls. So you change the URL here to get whichever URL you want to get faster response. And that's all you need to change. Thanks a lot.